One of the most trending word of 2019 is the draped blush look. Hi, you're watching Foxy. My name is Pooja and today I'm going to be talking about the draped blush look. This is actually a very old phenomena, I think somewhere back to the 1980s. It is nothing but contouring your face using a blush on. So today in the tutorial, I'm going to be talking about how you can actually make your face look slimmer using a blush on. So let's get started. So for the draped blush on look, I'm going to be using 3 different kinds of blush on shades. The first blush on shade that I'm going to use to contour my face is from this palette called Master Blush from Maybelline. I'm going to be using this deeper plum to kind of do the contour. Then I'm going to be using the blush on from this beautiful palette from Kiko. It's a very fresh and a peachy color, so it's going to show you the difference between your blush on and your contour. And then we would be doing some highlight. So I'm going to be using this highlighter from the Maybelline Master Blush palette itself. So let's get started. So I'm using this Real Techniques contour brush and I'm going to be dipping it in this deep plum shape. So just the way I do the contouring for my face is how I'm going to apply this shade. So can you see, instead of the contour, the brown powder that we use, I've actually used this color to do the contouring. Similarly on the other side. Towards my temples, because that's the area that I would usually contour according to my face type. Moving to the temples, so it's like a C. So draped blush look is nothing but contouring with a blush, right? So we are just going to restrict this area. Please don't contour your nose using this color. For a more dramatic look, you can increase the intensity by applying some more product. After this, I'm going to go in with the Kiko blush on. It's a beautiful trio, so I'm just going to mix all 3 of them and apply it on the apples of the cheek. If you're not comfortable using this brush, you can also go in with the blush brush from Real Techniques. Just swipe it around, remove the excess and blending it towards the upper side. Again, just to increase the intensity of my contour, I'm just going to go back with that color plum. And I'm just going to make it more deeper. It's like literally draping your face with that color. And to complete this look, I am going to be using a highlighter, again from the Maybelline Master Blush palette, using a fan brush from Faces Canada. So I would just highlight where I usually do, just above the blush on. So I'm going to be completing this look by wearing my favorite neck piece, and I think after this I am ready to head out. So see you soon. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today and I hope you guys are going to try this on yourself. For more such content, log on to Foxy. Stay fab, stay foxy.